Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So, children, as you all know, that today this is our online English literature class, and you all know that after holidays, from today, we are going to start with a new chapter, as you must have got the weekly planner, and in which I have also mentioned that from today we are going to start with a new chapter in English literature. Okay, so as you all know, children, that after holidays for 3 days we have done joining hands and spelling power only, and now from today, that is on Monday, we are going to start with our new chapters in every subject. Okay, so are you all ready for your new chapter? Very good, children. So as you all know, first of all I want to ask you all that you all must have completed all the work which I gave you before holidays, before your summer break, and I also hope that you all have completed your summer holiday homework. Okay, and those who have not completed, children, make sure to complete it beforehand, because we may call you to submit it anytime. Okay, now as you all know, children, that before holidays we have completed in English literature, we have completed till chapter number 3, that was Hasmina's Kite, and we have done its exercises also, and we have done the revision of all the 3 chapters also. Okay, so I hope you all have started learning, because children, those who have not, please make sure to try to complete your work on time and start learning also, as very soon we will be starting with your pre-midterm examinations of 20 marks. Okay, so let's begin with our today's video, that is part 1 video for today's assignment. So for that, children, for starting the new chapter, first of all, you all know that I explain the story, whatever the story is, I explain you first in the part 1 video, and then in part 2 video I give you some exercises. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, you have to take out your Buzzword English Reader book, that is book number 2 for class 2. So children, after taking out your book, Buzzword book, that is book number 2 for class 2, please turn to page number 39, as here the heading is given chapter number 4, The Monkey Band. Okay, so your chapter for today is The Monkey Band, that is chapter number 4. Okay, so this is a story which is being taken from the Jungle Book. Okay, you all must have seen cartoons of Mowgli. Okay, Jungle Book, movie on Jungle Book was also there, so I hope you all must have seen that. So this is a part of this story is a part from that Jungle Book story. Okay, so are you all ready for this exciting story, children? Very good. This story is given in 2 pages. So first of all, today we are going to read and understand the first page only. Okay, what is in this story we are going to study today, but 1 page only. Okay, after that tomorrow we will be going to complete the other part of this story. So are you all ready, children? Very good. So let's get started. Listen to each and every word, how I am pronouncing it and how I am reading it. Okay, because I know you all are not very clear in your reading. You all are not very good at your reading skills. So please make sure that you listen to your teachers for every subject, how they are reading. Okay, so now we are going to start with this story, The Monkey Band. Mowgli was a little boy who lived in a jungle. Mowgli एक छोटा सा बच्चा था जो कहाँ रहता था? जंगल में. He was walking through the jungle one bright morning. एक दिन वो जंगल में सुबह सुबह वॉकिंग कर रहा था, singing a merry song, एक सुंदर सा गाना गा रहा था. On the way he met his friend Baloo the bear. अब उसका फ्रेंड कौन था? बलू. So on the way he met his friend Baloo, and he was a bear. Okay, so children, on the way Mowgli met his friend Baloo. You all must have seen in cartoons also that this is Mowgli and this is Baloo, his friend, which is a bear. Okay, so what a beautiful song, said Baloo. Baloo ने क्या बोला? कितना सुंदर गाना गाया है तुमने. It is a very beautiful song. I wish there was some music for your song, but I cannot play any music for you. Now, when Balu appreciated the song which Mowgli was singing, then he said that for this song there should be a music, okay, for your song. हर song के लिए आप लोग सुनते हो तो music होता है उसमें. So in the same way, Balu said to Mowgli that I wish there was some music for your song, but I cannot play any music for you, because Balu was not able to make any kind of music for his song. Okay. Suddenly there was a sound in the branches above them. When they were passing through a tree, they were talking about the music. Suddenly there was a sound in the branches. They listened to a sound from the branches above them. Balu and Mowgli looked up. They tried to look up that from where the sound came. It was the monkeys. Now the sound came from the monkeys. On the tree, monkeys were there, and monkeys were making sound, howling and shrieking. The monkeys always made a lot of noise. You all know, children, monkeys are always making a lot of noise. आपके घरों के आसपास मंकीज होंगे तो वो कितना शोर मचाते हैं, कितना शोर करते हैं, हाउलिंग एंड श्रीकिंग साउंड ऑल द टाइम. सो द मंकीज ऑलवेज मेड अ लॉट ऑफ नॉइज. So next is, we heard you, they chattered. Now we can play music for you. Now monkeys said, we heard you. हमने आप लोगों को सुना कि आप लोग क्या बात कर रहे थे म्यूज़िक के बारे में. एंड वी कैन प्ले म्यूज़िक फॉर यू. उन्होंने क्या बोला मंकीज़ ने कि हम आपके लिए म्यूज़िक प्ले कर सकते हैं. But how can you play music? You don't have guitars, drums, or any musical instrument like that, said Balu. Now, when Balu heard that monkeys replied that they will make sound for them, so they will play music for them. So Balu asked the monkeys that how will you play the music? How can you make the music? You don't have guitars, आपके पास गिटार नहीं है, ड्रम्स नहीं है, पियानोज नहीं है, म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स नहीं है, तो आप कैसे साउंड बनाओगे, कैसे म्यूजिक बनाओगे? The monkeys just laughed. We don't need any of them, they cried. The monkeys, after hearing Balu that he said that you don't have any musical instrument, then how you will be able to play music for us? So the monkeys just laughed. They started laughing. We don't need any of them. Monkeys ने क्या बोला? हमें किसी भी म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, हम वैसे ही बना सकते हैं म्यूजिक. The monkeys jumped over to the hollow trunk of an oak tree. Now, monkeys jumped over to the hollow trunk of an oak tree lying on the ground. What happened now, children? Monkeys ने कहाँ पे jump किया? Hollow trunk. Hollow trunk is, what is a hollow? A hole or empty space inside something. जो एक खाली और एक होल और जो खाली होता है अंदर से बिल्कुल, वो उस जगह को हम हॉलो कहते हैं. ऑफ एन ओक ट्री. अब ओक ट्री क्या है? इट इज़ अ वेरी लार्ज ट्री दैट ग्रोज इन कोल्ड प्लेसेस. ओके, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी ट्रीज होती हैं जो सर्दी वाली जगह पे ही होती हैं. ओके, ऑफ एन ओक ट्री लाइंग ऑन द ग्राउंड. दे हिट इट विद देयर हैंड्स एंड मेड अ नाइस साउंड. नाउ व्हाट द मंकीज डिड? Monkeys jumped over the hollow trunk of an oak tree and which was it was lying on the ground. जो कि oak tree जो गिर गया होगा कभी, वो ground पे पड़ा हुआ था और उसी पे उन लोगों ने hit करना शुरू कर दिया अपने hand से and they made a nice sound. And what was the sound like? Duck buck dub dubba dub dub. Okay, duck buck dub dubba dub dub, like that. It was a tapping sound. Okay. So the monkeys jumped over to the hollow trunk of an oak tree lying on the ground. They hit it and they hit it with their hands and made a nice sound. Duck buck dub dubba dub dub. Okay, so this was the first type of music which the monkeys played. So I hope, children, you all have understood this part of this story, first part of this story. Now the words which are written in blue color, I am going to explain you the meaning of those words. Okay, so the first word was merry. merry, merry. Now what is the meaning of merry, children? Happy. Okay, when you are very happy you dance. Okay, so we say na, you must have seen many people say how merrily she is dancing. कितनी खुशी खुशी वो लड़की डांस कर रही है. merry means happy होना, बहुत जॉय के साथ, फुल ऑफ जॉय के साथ आपको कोई भी काम करना. ठीक है, खुश होना. Now the next word is howling. howling, howling. Now what is howling? Making a long and loud sound like crying. आपने सुना होगा कभी 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 आप कहीं घूमने गए हो और वहाँ पे जंगल्स का एरिया है तो बहुत दूर से भी आपको सुनाई देता है when the hyenas or foxes are there, so they howl. Okay, जंगली जो होते हैं, जंगली डॉग्स होते हैं. Okay, so they howl in a loud voice. Okay, they try to cry in a loud voice. Okay, then comes shrieking. shrieking, shrieking. Now what is the meaning of shrieking, children? Shrieking means making a high and loud sound. कोई एक बहुत जोर से loud sound निकालना. Okay, and these two things only one animal can do, and they are monkeys. Okay, then comes chattered. chattered, chattered. Now chattered is to talk, to make a loud noise. Okay, when you are talking, आप अगर स्कूल में बात करते हो तो आपकी टीचर बोलती है हाउ अ चैटर बॉक्स यू आर. ओके, और योर टीचर सेज व्हाई आर यू चैटरिंग सो मच. चैटरिंग मीन्स इतनी बातें क्यों कर रहे हो. सो यर in this story, chattered means the monkeys were talking to each other, the monkeys were making loud noise. Okay, now coming to the next word, hollow. hollow, hollow. Now what is the meaning of hollow? An empty space inside something. Okay, then oak tree. Oak tree is a tree, it is a very large tree that grows in cold places. Okay, so I hope this page is clear to you all. This half story is clear to you all, children. So today we are going to do this much only for part 1 video, and in my part 2 video, children, I am going to give you hard words of this whole story. So please switch on to my part 2 video. Bye bye.